Hey, I'm back at the dryer again. So, when I did the belt and roller replacement, one little thing I overlooked and probably should have just dealt with at the time, and that is the front guides. So I took a quick look at them and figured, oh yeah, they're probably fine, but looking at them now, they're ground in pretty badly. So I really should have replaced these when I did the belt and roll replacement. What happened was, after a little while of running there, there was some squeaking, squealing. It was actually binding up a little bit, and so when I took a look, I'm like, darn it, I forgot these. So let's pop these out and replace them. I got a Whirlpool Corporation factory certified part. I'd seen some other ones on big online stores, but some of the reviews basically were not that great. They were half the price, but they lasted months according to some of the reviewers. So it's like, you know what, if I'm taking this thing apart, I'd rather not deal with having to do it again because I put in a crappy cheap part. So spent a little more and I got a official factory replacement. So let's snap these in. Let's just pop out. Now, one thing to keep in mind, there is an adhesive felt pad on here, which these didn't come with. So I'm gonna have to see if I can reuse that old pad, but I may have to come up with an alternate. So let's see what we can do here. Okay, that's one. Yeah, this is pretty well degraded. I really should have new felt, but I was absent-minded and forgot to order some, or try to find a piece. So let's see if this will get us by, at least with the new. It's more of an isolation, so you don't get a lot of noise coupling over to the frame. So hopefully that will get us where we need to be. To see the full disassembly and reassembly process on the dryer, check out my other video. Here you can see the drum resting on the glides. And here it is actually running. Alright, so a few minutes of work and I was able to get these guides replaced. Obviously it helps that I just serviced this dryer a few months ago, so I was already familiar with its assembly disassembly process. But this is one of those cases where I should have taken advantage of the while I'm in there, and I should have ordered some of these and put them in because it's known that these are a wear point on this type of appliance. So anyway, those are done, and hopefully this dryer will last now for a few more years with no squeaks and squeals and all kinds of problems. So hopefully you got something out of this video. Please leave me a comment. I read all the comments. If it helped, if it didn't help, things you'd like to see different, I'm open to suggestions. And also ideas for other projects you'd like to see done. That's how I'm working to grow my channel, is to make sure I'm providing content that's going to help you guys see that, hey, I can possibly fix that and save myself a lot of money, or at least know what to expect, so when I call somebody in to do it, I know if they're taking me for a ride or not, which is also important these days. So, as always, thank you so much for watching. Hit that like, subscribe, notification bell. That way it helps support my channel, helps me grow my channel, and bring you more content like this. So, until the next one, see you later.